Hello friends, I'm Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs Faculty at Offices IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing our 135th Current Affairs checklist topic, that is regarding core inflation. Friends, we all know about inflation. Inflation is persistent price rise in most of the commodities. Persistent, right? Persistent price rise in most of the commodities, we generally call it as inflation. Inflation is caused by various reasons, right? It may be because of increase in demand, or maybe because of shortage of supply, or maybe because of increase in cost of production. There are various reasons for inflation. This inflation is broadly divided into two types. Right? See, based on causes, it is differentiated into demand pull, cost push. But here I am going to refer the inflation based on the products, range of products it covers. So inflation, we have two kinds. One is core inflation. Another one is headline inflation. See, inflation can be categorized based on the causes, but here I am classifying the inflation based on the products involved in measuring the inflation. Okay. So what is headline inflation? What is core inflation? Headline inflation refers to normal inflation. This inflation which will cover the price rise in all the products. It measures the price rise in all the products. Core inflation, it will measure the price rise excluding food and fuel. So core inflation is inflation excluding food and fuel. Don't take food price and fuel price into consideration, and then you calculate inflation based on other products. That is core inflation. Headline, that will consider everything. It will take into account of food, fuel, it will take into account of everything, and it measures the inflation. This is headline inflation, right? We know that RBI, they are entrusted with the task of controlling the inflation. RBI, Monetary Policy Committee, they are entrusted with the task of controlling the inflation. Now, which inflation they will target? RBI, whether it targets core inflation or headline. It will not target core. RBI will target headline inflation. Remember, RBI targets headline inflation, particularly it targets CPI, headline inflation. Consumer Price Index, headline inflation. That you have to keep it in mind. RBI, they have the task to ensure that the inflation is well within the target range of 4 plus or minus 2%. The inflation can be it can go up to 6%, minimum it can be 2%, it can go up to 6%. That we call it as inflation targeting. Government of India has given an inflation target range to government. Government of India says to RBI, that is Monetary Policy Committee, you have to ensure that the country's inflation is well between 2% to 6%, or 4 plus or minus 2. So RBI, they will target which inflation, whether they will target core or headline. They will not target core, they will target headline inflation, CPI headline. Okay, that we have to keep it in mind. So this is the difference between core and headline inflation. So headline inflation will take into account of price rise in all the commodities. Core inflation will take into account of price rise in commodities excluding food and fuel, because food and fuel, they are highly volatile. The price will fluctuate highly, it is volatile. So when you exclude the food and fuel and then you calculate inflation, that is called as core inflation. Very simple topic, right friends. So I have given the definition. Core inflation is a measure of inflation obtained by excluding commodities of high price volatility such as food items, energy products, right. So RBI, it aims to contain headline CPI, right. So whatever I have discussed I have given here. So based on our discussion I have made an MCQ. You find out the right answer and give it in the comment section, right friends. From June 2020 to November 2020, the current affairs is converted into MCQ format. High quality question solution set is available in PDF format. If you are interested, you can buy it by clicking the link given in the description box. Here I have given the features of my exclusive current affairs program. If you are interested, you go through the features. Any doubt, you can make a call to the number here. Right friends, tomorrow I will see you with another interesting, exciting, important topic. Till then, bye. Take care.